This is the Edit to Prompt tool. It is a visual website editor, and it is a very important tool for AI web design. Many AI website builders do not have a visual editor. Anything AI, for instance, is a very powerful AI website builder. It is capable of building websites that are SEO friendly out of the box. However, it doesn't have a visual editor. Even Lovable's visual editor does not work at times. These are the problems the Edit to Prompt tool was built to solve. Another major benefit of using this tool is that it allows you to save AI credits or tokens significantly. Let's say we want to edit this Lovable website, but the visual editor isn't working. What we can do is simply go to the front end of the website and copy the link of the web page that we want to edit. For the home page, for instance, I'll copy the link, then go to Edit to Prompt, paste the link, and load the site inside the tool. The home page has now been loaded. Don't worry about the hero background image not loading. We can now fully edit this website visually. For instance, we can delete this section. So I'll select the section, click the delete icon, and it's gone. We can also edit text. For this heading here, I'll simply click to select it, then come to the text panel and click on the text content to edit it. I'll change it to say, "Find affordable homes in Miami." Then I'll click Apply. And here it is. The changes have been applied and a prompt has automatically been generated. That is why it is called Edit to Prompt. I can also add edit instructions as notes to be included in the final prompt. For instance, I can select this section, go to the Notes tab, and add some notes. In this note, I have written an instruction to change the background image of the hero section to a new one that reflects modern real estate. If I click Add Note, an edit prompt will automatically be generated for this background image update request. We can also change images. Let me change this one. I'll go to the Image panel and click here to choose an image. Now the image has been replaced. There are many more visual editing features and options available. When you go to the Styles tab, you'll see all of these options. I can change the color, the font size, the font weight, the font family, and much more. So now we have made 5 edits, and we can see the changelog here. We can also see that 5 prompts have been generated for the 5 edits we've made. When we click the prompt button, we can see the prompt that has been generated. I'll copy the prompt, go inside my AI website builder, I am using Lovable, and simply paste the prompt and press Enter. Now, Lovable should apply all the edits and changes that we've requested through the Edit to Prompt tool. All right, Lovable is done applying the changes. Let's update the site and view it on the front end. Okay, when I refresh the page, we can see that all the changes we requested have been applied. Here's the heading text that we changed. Here's the new background image. The section that we deleted is no longer here. The text color has also been changed, and the image has been replaced successfully. You can also use Edit to Prompt to edit buttons. In fact, you can use Edit to Prompt to modify pretty much any element on your website and make all the edits or changes that you require. Thank you for watching. Share this video with someone you think might find it useful. Also, like and subscribe to help grow the channel. For more powerful AI web design tools, visit AI-website-promptgenerator.com, where you'll find a number of tools designed to make your AI website designs high quality, professional, and successful. See you in the next video.